Today we will make an amazing ossobuco. For the exact amount, check the description below. We start by tying the meat with butcher's twine. We set it aside and we continue by preparing the ingredients for our sauce, which will infuse this amazing cut of meat. We dice a white onion. We continue by dicing some parsnips. Don't forget this is a rustic recipe, so we don't dice it too fine. We do the same with the carrots. We use carrots and parsnips because of their natural sugar content. They are great for this recipe. Then we chop some leeks, we clean and dice a few cloves of garlic, and we are done with the prep. We couldn't wait to start the fire because there were minus 18 degrees outside. This was the first day this winter that we were below zero, all day long, so we couldn't get used to it. My hands were freezing, so there are instances where I put more spice than I should, but I couldn't control my hands properly. In a hot cast iron pan, we sear the meat on both sides. We want a nice golden brown crust. When done, we take out our meat and we continue by adding the parsnips along with the carrots. We sear them until golden. We continue by adding the onion, leek and the diced garlic. We sear them until translucent and we add the tomato paste. When we see that the tomato is starting to stick to the pan, then we continue by adding the dry red wine to our base. We stir it constantly and we wait for the alcohol to evaporate. We add our meat to the pan and we almost cover it with water, or you can add beet broth if you want. We season with bay leaf, salt, ground pepper, oregano and rosemary. We let it cook covered for at least 4 hours. We add water from time to time. When the meat is tender, we cook the potatoes. We just add a pinch of salt to the boiling water. We usually make potatoes a side dish because it complements well the fatty, juicy, tender meat, but you can serve it with rice or polenta if you want. It was quite a challenge to stay outside in this cold for so many hours, but it was worth it. The ossobuco was tender as butter, and the best part is the bone marrow, which is beyond delicious. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, if you enjoyed our video, then please subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. It is free and it helps us a lot. See you on the next one.